Good afternoon. It's EMS Automotive, manufacturers of 1949 to 1951 Ford sheet metal. EMS Automotive. What we're going to talk about today is transmission covers and oversized transmission covers for your 1949 to 51 Ford. Now, a lot of you are putting in modern V8 engines, Ford AODs or 350, 350s, 350 400s, 700 R4s. AOD is the most popular here in the Ford. EMS Automotive has now manufacturing in Michigan a oversized transmission cover that will bolt into your stock floor. And we're going to cover a few things here about it, how we manufacture. We make everything in Michigan. We make everything out of heavy 18 gauge the way it is supposed to be. Not tissue paper Chinese, not imported. We always have it in stock. We make it here. We don't have to worry about the shipping container. We don't have to worry about whatever eBay scammer that's out there. EMS Automotive. Call us direct if you want the best sheet metal for your 49 to 51 Ford. What we're going to look at here is, this is your drive shaft tunnel end of for the 49 to 51 Fords. Okay, that's basically the seat goes over this. We're showing this as an example. This cover here, it's 18 gauge. This is the stock original cover. We manufacture it in our own shops. If you want a stock one, we have it. It goes on here. Okay, now you can see it has a little bit of room for the old-fashioned Ford manual 3-speed or whatever. It's 18 gauge too, made by EMS. Okay, but since everybody likes to put the big engine in and the AOD, we have made this is an oversized transmission cover as compared to this. Okay, a lot more height, a lot more depth. Okay, all of very engineered curves, shapes. All of this makes for a superior fit in your 49 Ford. Correct curves to match up to the cover. Okay, we have it. Notice it's got the width. Okay, and it's got a flat spot on top. If you want to put your shifter up here, you can put your floor shifter up here if you want to do that, console, whatever. Easy. You're not going into some wobbly curve, whatever shifter cover and chrome and bezel, whatever you want to do custom. It's flat. It's engineered by EMS Automotive in Detroit, Michigan. We got our own tool makers. We got our own factories. We did this. Now notice how big it is. Now this doesn't touch the firewall. We've taken everything into consideration here. It's a two-piece. When you buy it, you get two pieces. This is the full package here. So this area here is the firewall along here. Comes down along your toe boards, goes back to your drive shaft tunnel over here. It's huge. Ford AOD, no problem. 700 R4, if you like the Chevy stuff, no problem. So whatever you need to put in it, we got it, okay? EMS Automotive. You don't have to butcher anything. You don't have to use anything strange or make it look ugly. It's flat, it's nice, it's got curves. Everything made to fit perfectly. American made in Michigan by our own people. Okay, no Chinese, heavy metal. This doesn't bend. Okay, this is heavy metal. If it was made in China, I'd crumple it up. 6-year-old could crumple it up. EMS Automotive. Now, some of you are going to wonder, how do you get it? You can call us direct at 248-546-0232. You can see us on our website, emsautomotive.com. That'll give you links. Well, back to the videos, catalogs, installation instructions, all different kinds of things. One of the things you need to remember about EMS, we're proud of what we do. We always label our products. If it doesn't have a label that says EMS Automotive, it's not ours. This is just a sampling of the various colors and things. we always put our name on our products and our phone number. So if there's a problem, you can call us. You can't call a Chinaman. He don't want to talk to you. The Chinese importer don't want to talk to you. They just want to take your money. So watch out about those special eBay deals and other people. You don't know who they are. We're EMS. We make the best stuff for your 49 Ford. Oversized transmission cover. Thank you very much.